Bright futures start at Riverbend Head Start and Family Services.
Our mission is to help families to discover positive solutions to life's challenges. So for us, our goal is to help families escape generational poverty. So we try to be a disruptor and disrupt or interrupt generational poverty by taking a two-generational approach to wellness.
Free quality program for childcare is huge, you know, and we're not just a childcare center, we are so much more.
We provide services for our kids, preschool services, from a comprehensive perspective: nutrition, social, emotional, developmental, health, dental. We fix a lot of teeth, vision, hearing. We take care of all the sensory needs as well.
They also help the parents by focusing on goals, but most importantly, they meet them where they're at.
Are you happy with your housing? Is it safe? Are you in a community where you feel safe? Safety is key, and so we help establish some of those things, and we look at the basic needs, you know, rent, food money, utilities.
Helping families get jobs, going back to school.
What it is they want to do in life to improve their situation, so that by the time the kids leave Head Start, they're school ready and the parents are school ready.
Head Start serves children from birth to 5 years old. They also help pregnant moms.
More and more the past year, we've served more pregnant moms than in the past. I think our highest number a year was 14. This past year we served around 45.
The Head Start program is center-based and also offers home visits for families.
They come to the center for a half day or maybe a 6-hour day, depending on the service they're enrolled in, and receive home services as well.
Early Head Start is 100% home-based.
So we go out to the family's home, and our case managers work with the family on just parenting, anticipatory guidance. You know, we work on developmental milestones.
They'll start it as a pregnant mom, they go all the way through that program, and then they transition into our center-based programming, and they can transition on to kindergarten. So by the time they get to kindergarten, they've had 5 full years of incredible services, so now they're ready to go out and meet the world.
To enroll in the program, you contact us. We do an application for the program. We do collect your income for the last 12 months. And then we just talk about your family's circumstance, you know, what kind of things are going on. And those develop what's called risk factors. The more risk factors present, the higher the priority is getting the program. So it's not a first come, first serve, but it's a highest priority first.
And they pride themselves on offering an inclusive and diverse environment for families and staff.
In the past, the company has used an outside consultant to help with the DEI needs, but now with me in my role, I'm now the liaison, the person who does the research, the meetings, the training, the investigating, and make sure we're practicing and promoting a diverse and inclusive work environment.
Many employees have worked here for years.
It is the goal for the agency to allow employees to feel empowered, to feel heard, to feel valued and respected at all times.
And if you're looking, Head Start also happens to be hiring.
One of the biggest challenges for us right now is staffing. Getting enough qualified teachers, teachers' assistants, bus drivers.
Center Operations Coordinator Vanita Wadlow remembers being a student here when she was just 4 years old.
And I lived in rural Missouri, so I went 2 summers to Head Start. As a child, it helped me because I had never been to a dentist, and that was a huge impact on my family.
Vanita and staff are proud of their Gold Circle of Quality designation from Accelerate, Illinois.
It says a lot about programs, and there's very, very few in Madison County, and we're proud that we have 6 of them.
Donors are also a vital part of this organization.
We can buy glasses for kids. Some of our funding doesn't cover those things, so glasses, hearing aids, dental work, coats.
It's a program helping children and families learn the skills they need to be successful.
Oh my gosh, yes, this program works. 100% this program works.
The families that we serve universally say, you know, we thought it was a preschool, and it was for the whole family.
I get very emotional about Head Start. It makes me cry a lot because I just know that every family needs hope, every child needs hope, and that's what we do. We provide hope.
Riverbend Head Start, teaching children, empowering families, and enhancing the community.
Everybody needs an opportunity to succeed, and that's what we can do with Head Start.